Jesus! Oh, watch out! My turn, girls. Get out of my
You are. You feel heavy?
He made a pretty good run.
way. There you go.
Good work, Osage. Rip.
Pull hard. There you go.
There you go. Got it?
Yeah.
You get
Got her?
Yeah.
Get her. Yeah! Woo! Good work, Scotty boy.
Let's go!
That's a big boy.
I hurt my throat doing that. Let me get him off my paddle.
You good?
Yeah, that's gonna bruise.
Oh, it ripped his lip.
I know, I'm done. I'm done. I hurt a lot.
It's crazy, they are all over you. Got one over here.
Won't stop!
Put water in the bucket and just keep your feet in the water.
Oh, you're... I might be doing that here in a second.
I don't know why they're attracted to you.
Literally, look at them all!
We needed one of those fly guns.
Yeah. Shoot myself. That'll work. Bro, please leave me the fuck alone! You ain't getting nothing out of me, you're just doing it for pleasure at this point. Well, self-preservation. Well, this giant monster's swinging at me. Let me go bite him some more.
So how's your day going?
Ouch!
Man, we can shoot down.
Ow!
Or up somewhere.
It won't matter unless we murder all of them.
Hang on the side with your feet in the water.
And
He's
then when I
just
set into hook,
staring
I'm gonna
at you.
fall right in the river. Mother humper. Oh, you're gonna just stay on the tip of my toe, really?
You just want to go do that now?
Oh, yeah. Cooler. I kicked the cooler because it bit me and I was trying to shake it off and I kicked the damn cooler. Ah, fucking toes. Oh, damn it.
Scotty and the flies. You want water?
What a gun.
I have some pet flies at home. You want them? Hey, everyone's flying everywhere. There goes Scotty. All for nothing. Whiff.
Oh, I hate you.
Oh! Scotty got one!
Oh, he came off.
Nice miss.
Real quick so I can see this focus. Jesus Christ, Scott. I'm gonna finish.
You just break your chair?
Yep.
Was I going? I was going. Oh my god. Where's the damn light? I can't even think straight.
Tonight's going great, guys.
These are brand new chairs too. Good luck driving back to the boat ramp. We're off to a good start. You broke a chair, got hit in the face with a silver,
Caught a turtle.
and caught a turtle. About 10 more of those Coronas, you're gonna go to sit down and have a rude awakening.
Oh, I'm about to be penetrated. There's one. Oh, I got one. Oh my Jesus.
Well, looking the other way! He came up under the net. Yeah, you can shoot him.
Oh, watch out! He went over everything and almost drilled you. Oh. Oh, ow! Oh!
He just got whacked!
Right in the fuck.
He got double whacked! There's two of them!
Oh, lip. That hurt.
Fuck! Get back here with the net and can't get him, and you catch him with your mouth.
Yeah. What'd that mouth do? Apparently speak to the fish. They wanted to shut me up. Ah! Hold on. Dude, I got pegged in the head.
You want me to do it since I got boots or no? good? You alright?
By the way, no, I don't got it. I sat on my rod holder. It went on my
You didn't fall on a rock, did you?
No, I'm okay.
Oh.
I feel penetrated and violated.
I just asked you, are you sure you don't want me to get it? I can go, I got boots. No, I'll be fine. Whoosh!
I think I finished the word fine. I think I just went down. Yeah, I'll be fine.
Looks like you dookied yourself.
I did a little bit.
God.
What do you want help with?
My leg is stuck.
What do you want me to do, pull you in?
Oh, I just needed my leg unstuck.
Jeez.
You had your phone too?
Yeah, that's why I didn't move. He goes down.
Yeah, these are some big ones.
There's a boat.
Are we in like the ocean?
Dude, we got like 3-footers out here on the river. Whoa! Scotty boy! Oh, that looked cool! Holy shnikes! Scotty boy about did the wobble up there. Holy crap.
Steer the boat.
Well, you didn't put it in gear enough.
Cold. Wet.
Oh!
Are we on a lake or the river?
Holy. We might. This is horrible.
Whose idea was this? Oh, God, are you sure we're okay? Oh, yeah, we're okay.
Oh my God, that is
We're fine if you're okay with being wet.
Me and the little bro out west deer hunting, doing some muley hunting. We figured, you know what, we're gonna take the back strap, we're gonna try to make something tasty, and well, we don't really know, we're gonna have to see from here. Enjoy.
There he is, right in the opening. He's gonna walk right in front of the door. Look at Dale, see if he sees him. Right towards him. Still look like he's gonna shoot. Yeah, he is. He's walking right towards him. You got a good enough look at him. Thinks he's a doe. Oh, Nailed him. You got him there.
All right, I guess he liked him.
Yeah.
Goodness, that was self-defense. That was crazy.
The camera stumbled a little bit, but right as he shot, I was trying to see.
If he would have missed, we would have left him.
Yeah.
You can't miss at 16.
I'm watching the deer, and it's like he just keeps coming right to him. It's like you got to shoot him off self-defense here in a second.
He thinks Dylan's a rubbing pole. He's rubbing on Dylan's barrel.
He's right there. Out here in beautiful Hawaii. Today we are doing the famous Vancouver bull. It's a little bit different. It's essentially the same as feral hog hunting. It's feral cow hunting, and what George Vancouver brought him in 1790s or so.
Yeah, 1790 came in, and the British back in those days when they were sailing around the Pacific, they would drop off animals wherever they went so that when they came back they could have some meat to provision their ships with. So 1790, Admiral Vancouver gave the cattle as a gift to the King of Hawaii, King Kamehameha. He placed a 20-year restriction that prevented anyone from taking any of the animals. So during that time they bred and bred and bred. So eventually the numbers kind of got out of control. The herd kind of got domesticated during the ranching era all over the island in areas where there was open pasture. But up here where the forest is so thick, they could never really get all the wild cattle out.
Gotcha.
So they've been wild here since 1790.
Will they charge you?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Hawaii's dangerous game.
So they have an attitude when they want.
Yeah. I mean, I've been charged maybe 3-4 times by wounded bulls. Lucky I had a 12 gauge shotgun with me.
Yeah, exactly.
Stop the charge real quick.
Where's that at today?
It's right there.
Oh, yeah, okay. I just wondered.
You got your 300, so I'm gonna hide behind you.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to sneak up right here. There's a big group of them right up here. Yeah, it's hard to see with lots of timber. The black one or the red one?
The red one on the left.
We'll be down now. What do you think?
That's like a nice one.
I hit him twice, right?
What's that?
Hit him twice.
It sounded like it.
You shoot the black or the red one?
The left
It
one.
was dark red.
The left one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoot it.
Oh yeah. Again. Love that Vancouver bull hair.
Yeah, that is sweet.
Really cool.
Almost got that brindle to him a little bit. It's kind of like, you thought he was black down below because of how dark it is. They have some black stripes that'll go through. This guy, you can faintly see the brindle coming through.
Gotcha.
Which is another old heritage Vancouver bull trait, the stripes.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna load up some cartridges with some pellets right here. And what caliber are these again?
25.
25 caliber. Probably have to get down on the knee. Oh, ho, ho. Smoked him. Oh, that smoked him.
Oh, nice.
Doink. Yep, got him. Was that your first shot in that? Second shot? Where you hit him?
Third one, I
Third one?
pelted him.
Yeah, I heard it smack him.
Yeah, I smacked him good.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a good head and brain shot.
She
I
goes
don't know why it was going
high.
high because I was shooting him right in the middle.
Might have gotten bumped or something.
That was funny.
Might have
She
to
goes high,
re-zero it.
high, high. All right, I'll shoot a little
Yeah,
low.
I shot it a little
Boom.
lower.
Yeah.
Claim your prize. Yeah, he's a goner. You smoked him good. Crazy creatures. Look at their claws. It's like a big old frog's foot with claws. Good shooting, Nat. That was pretty impressive.
That was like a neck shot.
Yeah. Oh, you hit him. Keep going.
Job.
He's like standing up with one leg.
Oh,
There's another one above it. Oh!
good job. The cat.
Oh!
Can't mess with me. I hit him right in the head.
Yeah, he's done. He's bleeding.
Oh! Oh, he's going around that side. Oh, nope, he's going around this side.
I get him. Hold on.
Good shooting, Nat.
I know I shot him in the head.
Yeah. He's coming down right here.
Woo!
We couldn't find him. Sasha's the eagle eye. He doesn't see too well.
I'm pretty blind.
We're gonna try to flush them out of this hole right here. If they're in the burrow. And then we got a couple other burrows right there that we're gonna try to flush some water down. Hopefully they come running up. Hopefully they run about 10 yards, stop, look at us, and kaboom.
Together.
Oh! There we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Got him.
There we go. Now he's got her. On the crawl. Coming over. 28? Wally, how much do you think we got there?
I wasn't counting. I'll say 28.
28?
Everyone else is.
I'm saying 30.
30?
32 for the win.
Who called 32?
31, 32.
BJ and Tom said 31.
We were all wrong.
Ah!
32 iguanas. It's a lot of nuisance items removed. 32 iguanas.
Sailfish, oh, sailfish is going crazy.
Keep on her, Sachi. We're gonna reel this in and chase him down. A little slight rain right now, but nice and cloudy, overcast, which makes for perfect fishing weather down here in South Florida. Outside of this rain, to fly the kites and stuff, you can't have the rain. So I'm gonna let Captain Ty kind of get into that once we get out here under the bridge, out in the blue water and everything. But for now, we're just heading right out there, and we're gonna do some sharks, some kingfish, and hopefully get a big sail today. Oh, hammerhead. Woo! Hammerhead shark.
In the boat, baby.
That's freaking gnarly.
Yeah.
Yep, just keep it going. Yeah, he's going crazy up top. I see him. Yep, you're good. Yep, just keep it on it. Keep it on it. You got to keep tension on these pretty good, right? Okay. Yeah, he's right up top there.
You got to keep reeling it. If you get slack, it could be gone, okay? Alright.
You got it.
You hold on tight.
Keep it going.
Release this one.
Yep, just keep that tension on it.
Kaylin, I'm falling, okay?
Keep that, he's gonna go with it. Yep, just keep that tension on her. If you need a break, let me know, I can help you. You need a break? All right, keep the tension on it.
DJ, I want you to fight him for a while.
Okay. Is it, okay.
There he is, right there.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Right there. All right,
Here, grab it, grab it, grab it. Got it.
we're about to lose him. I need to turn my motors up. No, we're good, we're good, we're good.
You good? Okay.
All right, bring him to me. Let's go.
All right. Oh damn, he's going back to the front.
Come on this side. It's a caught fish because we got leader.
Okay. I'm gonna try to swing him towards you.
I got him.
Got him? Woo! Sailfish, baby!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just put it in there. Put that. There, hold on, I got it.
That is freaking awesome.
So we're actually going to keep this sailfish. You're allowed to keep one per day as long as they're the right size. This thing's well oversized. It's a big sail. And I make some really good smoked fish dip out of them. So we're going to take this thing home and harvest it. And not an ounce of this fish is going to go to waste. A lot of people like to release these fish because it's kind of a sport fish. But they are delicious and you can legally harvest. So like I said, we're going to take them home and make some really good fish dip out of them.
Do you want it? Big fish? Yeah, we're slowly going out. Slowly going out. You think?
Yeah, big fish. We're not getting
Yeah, just keep the rod bow, just slowly go.
It's real easy. Just keep it steady.
Perfect. Yep, just keep on. There's that.
Okay. You want to get the net, I'll get the other one.
Like that.
Just keep going. Yep, just steady, steady. Just like that, steady, steady. Just let him fight it. It'll be a nice bend.
Yep, as he slows down, you're doing it perfect. Yep. Good fish. Yep, you're doing perfect. We're fine on that.
Okay, I'm gonna get this now.
Here, I'll get it,
Okay.
Here, just launch to the front of the boat.
I'll get it. Got it. Perfect.
That's a fat fish.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Good job, Sasha.
Good job, Sasha.
You did that perfect.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Broke the line. Oh, no, it was on me. Started off with 1, then there was 2, now there's 3. Just hanging out in the hole. Oh no, there's fish down there. Oh my gosh. Walleye mid-water column, giant one. Oh my gosh. Giant walleye. Oh my gosh. Come here, big guy. Barely got him. Barely got him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I didn't think it was a walleye. I thought it was a big carp. He was like 4 foot below the ice and 15 or 14 and a half feet of water. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking. I've been sitting here, haven't seen a thing. Look at this fish. I don't know how early I clicked you guys on, but you guys, it was so high in the water column, you guys might have been able to see it. Drops him right back in. That is what I was after this morning. That's a good one. I shot like 2. Oh, that's Rich. There's that back one. That's a fatty. Oh, stuck. Oh yeah. Oh my God. You got him. You got him. That's a 40.
I don't know about that, but he's a toad.
Really?
Yeah, he's a toad. Gonna need a backup, even though I'm all the way through. Don't trust this fish.
That's a large fish. That looks bigger than mine.
Alright, 2 arrows. 2 arrows, spear me.
Yeah. I think that one beats this one. That's a 40.
That's a fish.
I'm gonna say 47.
47. That was gonna be my first, but
That's
Abs.
I got 44.
44. That's a giant fish. 48.7.
Oh!
48.7. Holy shnikes.